Good morning, students. Today we will learn about sources of history. Our topic is sources of history and importance of history. First is sources of history. Anything that can help us know about the past can be termed as a source of history. Historians use a variety of sources to know about the life of the people who lived in a place at a particular time in the past. The following are the important sources of history. Important sources of history: utensils, weapons, paintings, old books and papers, toys, clothes, coins, remains of buildings and places. Now, importance of history. First is history tells us about a variety of things. हिस्ट्री हमें कई चीज़ों के बारे में बताता है. It tells us about how the people lived in earlier times, where they lived, what they ate, means कि क्या खाते थे, or used in daily life, etc. History can also tell us about the thoughts or beliefs that were common during a particular period. History can also tell us about the thoughts or beliefs that were common during a particular period. Second, it tells us about how the lives of it tells us about how the lives of people have changed in the course of time. ये हमें यह भी बताता है कि समय के साथ लोगों का जीवन कैसे बदल गया. जैसे जैसे समय बदलता गया लोगों का जीवन भी चेंज होता गया. Have changed in the course of time. For example, a few years ago, we mostly wrote letters to communicate with our distant friends and relatives, but today we use mobile phones and emails. Third is it tells also allows us to learn about the rulers and great personalities of the past. हिस्ट्री हमें यह बताता है कि अतीत के शासकों और महान हस्तियों के बारे में उनके जीवन को समझने में हेल्प करता है. From the study of history, we get to know how the ideas and achievements of the kings and great personalities, the lives of other peoples. History also help us understand the importance of certain dates. हिस्ट्री हमें कुछ तिथियों के महत्व को समझने में भी मदद करता है. For example, through history, we know that we celebrate 15th August as our Independence Day because India agained independence from the British of this day in 1947. Okay, that we celebrate 15th August as our Independence Day because India gained independence from the British on this day in 1947. Sixth is history also narrate the story behind the famous monuments that we see today. For example, it is because of study history that we know that India Gate, a famous monument in Delhi, was built in the memory of Indian soldiers who lost their lives during a great war. मतलब हिस्ट्री हमें उन फेमस स्मारकों के पीछे की कहानी को भी बताता है, जो आज हम लोग देखते हैं कि जो मॉन्यूमेंट खड़े हैं, बड़े बड़े स्मारक खड़े हैं, वो उनके पीछे क्या है। तो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैंने आपको ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट करवा दिया है। थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स।